What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I get this sleek ponytail on my natural 4C 4B hair. So you want to see how I got this look? Then keep on watching.
Ice me out, nigga, ice me out, ice me out.
You guys, how I do a quick little weave ponytail on natural hair. So I started with fresh wash hair, and the only thing I did was added some Murray's beeswax to my hair because I'm about to blow dry it out. So typically when I blow dry my hair, I don't dry my hair for no longer than 5 minutes. So boom, I'm done blow drying it. This is a straight, and as much heat as I'm going to put on it because I do have to flat iron my hair to get it kind of sleek to put in a ponytail. So to flat iron my hair, I'm just going to use my Remington flat iron and I'm just going to set it to 390 degrees. I'm going to let this get hot. Half of my hair is flat ironed, and I'm gonna come back to you guys when my other side is done. Okay, so I'm back. I'm done flat ironing my hair. It looks a little stiff. Well, it is a little stiff because I put beeswax in it so I can mold my ponytail. So before I mold my pony, I'm gonna brush out like all the hairs that's gonna be my baby hairs or edges, whatever people want to call it. Kaleidoscope on my edges and like in the middle of my hair to thicken up the middle of my hair because like a long time ago, like 6 months ago, I had got a ponytail. Baby, them ain't for the top of my head. So yeah, and since then I rarely try to wear like ponytails or to mold this ponytail. The only thing I'm going to use to mold my ponytail is more beeswax. Got to be glue-free spray.